very good elimination round. Do you agree, Bigben?
Yeah, overall it was a nice elimination.
Yeah.
There was some mistakes, but overall it was a very nice elimination.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, we used to start with the strong points, the key points.
Yeah.
Would you like to start by telling your opinion about what's the best point for you?
Yeah. I think there is two major points that we can highlight for this video. I mean, for this elimination. The first one is that Stan has a very nice structure.
Yeah.
There's an intro, there's build-ups, there's drops, there are some fillers. There are a lot of things that makes you not want to leave the video because there is something that's happening that keeps you watching the video and keeps you into the song, into the mood he wants to put on his routine. And the second thing is the sound he has, the sounds that are really nice. There's this kind of zipper at the end, which is really nice. And also this flow, the groove he's using, a little bit laid back. It's pretty nice. It's like really smart choice because not a lot of people are doing this kind of music. I mean, in the beatbox scene, so he can stand out just by doing this kind of music, just by doing tika tipum
Yeah.
tika tipu tika tipum. Just by doing that, he gains points easily because nobody did this before, and probably nobody will do it after him. So that's very clever choice.
Yeah, I agree on most of the points you said. Like Stan has like simple sounds, few sounds, but we can
Yeah,
see he masters them so much.
yeah,
The structure is on point. Yeah, we can see easily that he has no trouble of doing any beats. He showed, and he's very clean. So that's how
yeah,
he stand out of the other beatboxers, I would say. And
yeah.
also,
And
yeah,
he feels comfortable on stage also.
yeah, yeah.
He looks comfortable. Sorry, he looks comfortable on stage, and it's very important when you do an elimination round, especially.
Yeah, he looks so confident, so at ease. So that's a very
Yeah.
great point. I agree. So what would you say for him to improve? Like,
um, there was two things I didn't like in the whole elimination. First, his singing was not on point. It was out of tune every time,
hmm,
and at the beginning, just after the introduction of the singing, he did like really weird mistakes of rhythm mistakes.
yeah. Do you want to
But
rewatch it? Just to
what?
Do you want me to show the extract?
Oh yeah, maybe we can do that. Just after the intro. I don't have the
Yeah.
correct timing. Sorry.
All right.
Got out of bed, bopping my head, put down the booze, I'm letting loose, lose, oh yeah.
There.
All right.
Just after the oh yeah, it's a bit weird.
What do you find that it's weird? Why is it weird for you?
It's out of rhythm. It's out of tempo.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
There's
Right.
a one sound which is totally off, and it gives a read feelings for just the rest of the cycle. But yeah, it's not as catastrophic as I may make it sound like. But
Yeah, but for a
it's just
beatboxer
yeah,
like him,
it's
yeah,
just surprising for me that yeah, his caliber of beatboxer make this kind of mistake, but it happens to everyone. So
yeah,
it's just that as I said in previous analysis, um, the better the beatboxer is, the harder my analysis will be.
yeah,
Like he know he's good, and I don't have to tell him he's good because he knows it.
Very nice. Yeah, I agree. Like he went out of his comfort zone, like by singing, and I know he likes to develop this skill. So for me, like it's a good way of taking risk, like measured risk, because after he went back to what he's at ease with.
Of course.
So, but this is like I didn't notice like it was like so off pitch. But yeah, I think I as a judge I would reward this kind of risk and not being so strict about being on pitch. But that's just my opinion.
Yeah.
And I can see like
we just don't agree on this one.
Yeah. But I understand your
point.
For
me, he loses points on the
singing part.
The pitch on the singing part.
All right, okay, I understand. Because for me, what made him lose points for me as a judge, it was that he seems like being too easy sometimes. Like for example, I had the feeling that he's not showing what he can do. Like he's keeping so much. And I would say like be careful because not being too easy can risk the fact that you will not be qualified for the next step. But this time
I think I think it's something that you have to calibrate yourself as a beatboxer, as a competitor. I would say whatever competition you do, even more in beatboxing, where if you want to win the battle, you have to do an elimination round, then top 8, top 4, and the final. So it's 6 rounds of beatboxing plus an elimination round. It's a lot of material, so you have to be careful how you use it. And if you think you can win the competition, I think it's okay to go soft on a elimination round. Because if you can win the competition, it means that you're above everyone, or at least the majority. So it's easy for you to be in the top 8. Was it top 8 or top 4?
It was top 8.
Yeah, okay. So yeah.
On 12 participants, so yeah, four were didn't pass the elimination. So I understand this measured risk.
But maybe I'm also a bit biased because I know him well, and just the way he's I see him being on stage on this video. It's like he's always like this. Even when he's not on stage, he's really chill, a really chill guy. So even when you think he's going soft, he's hardcore in his mind. So it's also this that we can appreciate on this kind of character. But it can seem a bit arrogant at first, but when you see it several times, you understand that it's just pure chillness, and he's just like this really kind guy, really kind.
Yeah. I think like it's a way of balance. Like not showing too much, but show enough to pass. So I think it's a measured risk that he did. So
exactly.
Very good choice. And another point to improve, just like a how do you say a way of improvement, I would say, like I would recommend, is diversifying his sounds. But I think he's from like he's from similar schools and FootboxG or collabs that for example they need to master their sounds before using them on stage, I would say. This is just a supposition, but I think it's totally understandable. So that's not a negative feedback. It's just to improve. He will need more sounds, and he will.
Don't give him too much good feedback, because I battle him in 2 months.
All right. I understand. So okay, let's stop with Stan.
I'm joking.
No, maybe I had the last question for you. Just before we switch to another participant, is an open question for the chat also. What do you think about people that say switch in their elimination?
It depends how you say it. How you use it. If it says a joke, it's good. but we said it so many times. We used it, and I'm guilty too. I used it so many times just to say switch and go to something else.
Yeah.
And for me now, it's a big no. It's a no, 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 no. Don't do this anymore.
Yeah, it's
Or
overdone, right?
you use the fact that it was overused to create something maybe funny, or maybe no, I don't think I don't see how you can use it in another way than making a joke now.
Yeah.
If you
Totally
use
agree.
it seriously, it's yeah, it's really weird. Or yeah.
Yeah,
My opinion on this now is that if you use it, you lose point in originality.
yeah,
I will not say you lose 1 point or something like this, but it's more like in my way of judging, everyone start with 0 points, and I add points in each category, and it's just more. It's just that if you do things like switch or like things we heard so many times, you will just earn points less fast.
yeah. All
Slower.
right.
Yeah,
And maybe
slower.
you will have you will think more about giving more points after. Right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
understand. Okay. Very nice answer. Nobody in the chat added something, but they said like why Stan is strong is because he's Belge. He's from Belgium.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I agree with that.
Everyone in Belgium is strong.
True, very true. All right, okay. So that was the elimination analysis of Stan. Sorry for this. I think we give like some pretty good feedbacks, but yeah, as a reminder, it's only our opinion. So feel free.
Yeah.
It's not the truth. So feel free to take the advices you want. And let us know if you agree with us or not in the comments. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.